Welcome to our next tutorial. In many cases, like this example, we may have a three-sided object. One is here, as you can see, the other one is here, and the other one is top. It's a trivial example. You will see this a lot in your work. And what happens in this case, you probably create the surfaces on the three sides and you want to join them. So let's try to do this. I'll just take this edge, we'll drag it and drop it here. We'll take this one, we'll connect. Logically, I will need to connect this one to this one, and then the top one will connect here. I will just duplicate this. What happens now is that we end up with the three-sided hole, which is a problematic. What I mean with problematic is that if we think in U and V direction, if we say that this is the U direction and this is the V direction of this patch, it's okay. But if we try to think about U and V in this patch, this is the U direction and V direction, and we end up here with the two V directions, which is not possible. So how can we close this? It's a problematic. You will come up to this stage. So the way you can do this, what we recommend is you select one of the edge, right click and split. When you split this, now you already have a four-sided hole which you can close. So I'll show you now two ways of closing it. The one is you take this, duplicate, merge it on the other side, and you get the result like this one. I will Control Z. The other option is you just take this and merge it with the other. What happens in this case is that we have something which is really bad because it has 6 edges, and here we have something which has these 2 edges, which is again a really bad situation. And the third option is you just drag and drop this one. Now you got another shape, which is still valid, but what you have in this case, you have a 3-corner point here, another 3 corners here, and 5-sided corner here. So, in conclusion, the best way to close such a hole is just by duplicating. And you see that we only have one vertex that it's with the 3-sided patches, but this is the only way we can solve this problem. I hope this tutorial is useful, and thank you for watching.